Hi, Ceramics 1 students. I'm going to go over how to put your whip slides into one big whip slide that will become your final exam turn-in. So let's go ahead and get started by going to your Google Classroom page. When you get to your Google Classroom page, please go to Classwork. This is generally where you turn in your whip assignments. So whip means work in progress. So what we've been doing throughout our entire build is taking pictures of our work so that we can track our daily progress. So what I would like you to do when you are completed with your mask is to put all of your whip journals into one long PowerPoint. Your PowerPoint should look like this. So if we go to Classwork and you go to the top where it says what and where should I put my pictures in your whip slides, I have my example here, which is just one long presentation. And I'm just going to go over this so you can see the order of this. You'll start with your title page, Work in Progress Journal, collection of all work and reflections in Ceramics 1. And this really started with your assignment 6. So if you go into Google Classroom and you look up WIP assignment 6, it has that title page. So you'll do 6, then you'll go to 9, which is your psychological me drawing. Our next one will be 10, which is your research mask picture. Then we'll go to 11, which is your hybrid sketch. Then we'll go to assignment 12, which is the picture of your armature. Assignment 13 was day 1 for working. Assignment 14 was day 2 for working. Assignment 15 was day 3 for working. Assignment 16 was day 4 for working. And assignment 17, which is our last one that I don't have here, will be day 5 for working. And this will be the last whip slide I will ask you to put into your journal. So how do you get a whip file into one long presentation? So basically, if you're trying, I would go to your whip assignment 6, and then if you go to File and go to Import Slides, it should take you to all the slides that you have. So let's say that I want to take a copy of WIP Journal 17 and put this in, even though this is not my piece. All you have to do is highlight the slide that you want to have in there, go to Select, and then it'll ask to import this. You'll have to highlight this, and then at the bottom it says Import Slide. So you'll import that slide, and that will go into your slide presentation. Now with Google Slides, you can always highlight that and say 17 is out of sequence. You can keep on moving it down, and you can put it in at the bottom of your WIP assignments here. So you can continue doing that by just going back to File, going to Import Slides, and then getting all of your WIP assignments, which should be in your drive or your Google Classroom drive, and put those all together into one big slide. Then later we'll add our final pictures that we're going to be taking of our mask project for the summative grading. Okay, hopefully that helped. And that's how you insert slides into a presentation.